it's something na I would do it again, but not to the point nga I will hurt that person. You're alone to the point nga you miss the moments sa bata pa ka. I mean, it only happened like a year ago nga grade 12 ko, but in that short moment, it feels like you wanna go back. People say na they want to change like from themselves or like their surroundings, but those moments that are good will change as well.
Mayong adlaw, ako si Gab. Join me as we uncover untold stories. And today I'm here with
My name is Kirby Bichua. I'm 19 years old and at Seliman. And my course that I'm currently taking is nutrition and dietetics. I think it's mostly because of how I really want to help out my parents. I mean, everybody wants to help out their parents, but in my case, we're kind of genetically linked to diabetes. It's really something that you want to help out because it's really severe in some cases in 2025. Yeah, and I'm here today basically just talk about what's happening. I mean, like I think everybody knows na everybody has an interesting story in their life, but most of the time there's always those stories that you really want to speak out because as people we tend to hide what's something na really within you, quite hard to speak out to other people. And right now I'm gonna share my stories, human stories.
pila na ka years ga eskwela na imong course karon.
Di magkitas na wong for first year pa ko gatek ani sa person ako. I mean, I'm pretty sure nga diri ra gud ko mo stick sa akong kurso kay deep connection through food kasi tambok man ko sa una. And marag gusto ra gud ko nga like to pursue this course para ra gud makatabang not just my family, like everybody. I want to help out going through their, let's just say na to their faces because some not disease but more problems sa atong kinabuhi, it's through food. And without food or too much intake of food nga bawal nato affects our mental and physical health. Di ara po ko nga nakakuan nga dili ra good importante ng like ang kurso nga makadagang kwarta murag importante po ng imo pong health wise nga kuan. I think some people would rather choose that than being famous or something. Para nako ra pod.
In the past, like your first year, right? Like in the span of like that year, in that single year, what have you learned na naka-help sa imong kuan like regarding sa imong reason na tungod sa imong family?
Well, in the span of 1 year, it really, I've learned so much to the point nga what I was eating before as well. It mostly helped me as of now. Kay, I'm still first year. There's so much years to come, so much challenges I must conquer. But as of now, it really helps me how ang pagkaon is really, it's not just a type of food that you consume daily. It's a type of food nga, it's a type of mechanic nato nga to activate ourselves nga unsa gud ta pagkatawo. If you eat too much junk food, eat too much sugar, it really shows who you are. Then when you eat something healthy, like you eat like meat or like not processed food, it shows who you are as a person. So not just like mentally, because some of us are just really like gifted, but physically wise as well. It really shows nga you are one of those persons nga who really take care of their body and who shows who you are. Because if you eat food nga nutritional wise importante nimo, it like you care about yourself, meaning you care about others as well. Like lisod masabtan pero ako nang maingon ang pagkaon ay murag kinabuhi nato. Wala di ka mo kaon, di abo ka nga magka like health problems ra.
Ayun. Agi kay first year man karon bro no. What are the things na naka-surprise nimo sa college kay atong imong expectations before nabay exceed or siya dili kayo siya naka-intense?
Kaya ko seryoso kay tawo. Like since college naman ka, you must act like murag grown up good ka nga magbuhat sa mong layan, like stay focused ko sa mong course kay what if kuanan like sayang kay kwarta ngaron. But I've noticed nga ang tawo ragot, I don't know if sa others kilahan sa amo nga they tend to take on the challenge ahead, and it really exceeds nga. I don't need to be really serious ra good. I think I should have fun as well like along this course. Kay if let's say nga sige ra og tuon ang aron, you never know nga you miss out a lot since magkatrabaho ka, magagulang ka, you don't have enough throughout the day.
In your first year, what's your first biggest struggle nga na encounter nga foreign nimo nga to the point na like galisod jud ka ba?
I won't disclose any names, mampod, because there was this friend, Migo Kayume. We kinda tend to separate because of, I won't lie, I really do miss him throughout grade 11, grade 12. I mean, I do have some friends. We're like on a group. It's just, you know, we're friends ever since grade 7. And ano, without, I'm alone sa akong on course. Kay sila na po sila on course, gitake. Pero you're alone to the point nga you miss the moments sa bata pa ka. I mean, it only happened like a year ago nga grade 12 ko. But in that short moment, feels like you wanna go back even though you are excited for college. Because you love those people and you hate to change. I mean, people say na they want to change like from themselves or like their surroundings. But those moments that are good will change as well. It's not just the bad things that will happen to you. Nga, naitabo sa unang panahon. Ang mga something that makes you comfortable, mawala pod. It's like the struggle nga na-take na ko katong kwanta ko. Like, bago pa ako gasugod. The people that you, like, you become friends with, it's just, sorry sa mga tao. It doesn't feel the same. I mean, yeah, we do have our comfort people na we tend to say our, feelings, like who we are, ngaron. It's just, I just hate how gimingaw gud ko aron, even though it's so annoying how I can't really grow as a person before, to the point nga I did so much shit just to forget about ang atong moments, like so I could grow. But in that one part in my life, sometimes growing up is really bad for you because you're really destroying yourself nga. I need to do that, I need to do this, I need to be like that, I want more for myself to be a different person, that you slowly forget yourself. And I did lost myself sa and my struggles. I forgot the people that I actually love. I forgot the people nga who supported me. I always thought nga I'm better on myself, better on my own, to the point nga every day I just don't feel myself anymore. Right now I'm recovering from that, since it's life crushing. You don't know yourself, you don't know who you are, and that's the number one struggle that I think I'm not the only one facing it too.
That struggle that you just said, how did it help you to grow?
It helped me grow that even though in the most uncomfortable place you're in, you're trying your best to go back. It's hard to go back, or some people's cases, it's easy. But in my case, it's hard to go back from who I was, because as of the way I was growing, I was going in the opposite direction, to the point nga, it's not the person I want to be. Because I always thought myself before na, oh, I'm caring, kind, and like loving to everyone and stuff. To the point nga, I forgot na I am not the goodest person around. No one is, also I noticed as well na nobody's really good. We all have our dark side, all have our bad side. Everybody's neutral. You can't say a person is good or bad. I think it's just how the perspective of kanang tao makakita nimo. It's mostly how you portray yourself as well. Whether you think of yourself as bad or neutral. No, you are not one of them. You're just neutral. It's just the way you act on it. If you want to be good, you can be good. And you want to be bad, you can be bad. But at the same time, we're all the same. Like, nobody's really that good in the first place. I think it's just how you want it to be. Grow up to be who you are.
What are the effects na matubag nimo siya nga maayo siya na it was a good thing na it happened, regarding atong incident na yung mga friends before?
Spirit, the good thing that I found out about it, it makes me independent. Being dependent to a person sometimes makes you harder for you to grow as an individual. It's something that it's hard to conquer, especially for yourself, because we do depend. I mean, we are dependent to our parents ever since we are growing up. So it's hard to be independent for yourself. It just makes me realize na being independent, and because of that struggle that I also face, it's something na I would do it again, but not to the point nga I will hurt that person. I think I would take a different route na being independent, yet still stay connected. I mean, as of now, we are me and my friends right now are connecting, and it's just, like I said, I mean, we were kids, we're dumb, we do shitty stuff, but I think that's the best part about life na even though it's so fucking hard and it's so annoying to the point nga you just wanna give up, but I think that's the fun of it. Being in your lowest, to the point nga it's just naps nga, oh, I wanna do this, I wanna be like better than this, and you do it. It's something nga, it's so achieving. I think because of that struggle, I am not one step closer, but I'm going there to be that person I want to be.
Based on your experience in your first year, do you think the school is really preparing the students in the future?
All I can say to this is not about the school, it's about the student. Because if you're unprepared or you're uninterested on your course, of course you can't pursue your dream job. But if you are prepared, if you have the mind to think na you can do this, you love this course, of course you're prepared. It's never the school's fault. I don't believe in that statement nga sala ni eskwelahan nga nawa ko napasar. No, you are not trying hard enough. If you truly love your course, even though you failed, pursue it. Like you love the course, right? So why not? Like every failure you get, every blood and like tears you've gone through just to get that diploma. I mean, it's not just about the diploma. It's about how you achieve that course, how much struggles you like you have to even like get that far. I think that's how that's how we are. It's basically us preparing ourselves. Never the school. The school is just there to guide us to our course, to guide us to our dreams. It's just how we push it, how we push ourselves to get it. Yeah. Bro, agree ka na.
Agree ko ni mo na bro.
Sa tao, good na.
What's your biggest dream, bro?
Biggest dream? I mean, of course, we want to, my biggest dream is basically, I can't just say na I want to be a nutritionist, I want to be rich someday, because we all do want it. But my biggest dream as of now that is not easily achievable, but progressive, you can achieve this progressively, is to find yourself. We really don't know ourselves that well. Like, you think of yourself as who you are. I mean, your parents say na, oh, you are that, or you're this, your friends nga, you're one of those popular kids, or those smart kids, or whatever you are. But deep down, it's you don't know yourself. You may tend to say na on this, like like ang ani ko pagkatawo, but are you sure nga ang ka pagkatawo, or you're just saying it because that's what you're acting? You don't know what you feel mostly. It's something na we are struggling, not just me, but I think everyone's struggling with this. They don't know themselves fully to the point that they would tend to do something that might harm them, or something that might do like murag you do something dili ikaw. You're trying to act on others' shoes para you feel ni like you're basically a replica. You're not your original self. It's I think that's my biggest dream, because finding yourself is basically you have the whole world in your hands sa imong kamot, because you know yourself. What are you trying to lose for? If you know yourself, you can do much more than usay mo na expect sa imong sarili. May sound cliche nga, oh, I'm trying to be different, but just ask yourself nga, kabalo ba gud ka sa imong sarili? Have you told people who you are? But you can't, because it's harder for you to say it to other person. And of course, lisod gud na, kailan mo tawo, mingon ko. Then I'm sorry to say, then you are not really that, you are not really you. You're not expressing yourself to other people nga, ikaw na. That's why you just sa dream na it's achievable for everyone, but we're hiding ourselves to get it. I think that's the appeal sa akong gistorya karon.
And based on what you've said, what are the things that you think that are somehow hinder you from achieving that thing?
I mean, it's kinda easy to and myself, because lang. I mean, I have all the gadgets I need to pass everything, or just do it in the right moment. Do it agad. But I think the biggest battles I'm facing right now, or the most is basically just myself. If you only put like 50% effort sa imong gibuhat, I don't think you can actually achieve it. I think you need to put 100% on everything. Like, you laugh 100%, you eat 100%. Like, don't give it like at 90, 50. Do everything 100%. Do your work 100%. It really hinders yourself if like you give it your lowest, you don't give it your highest. Even if ma-fail ka aron. I mean, failure is one step to success. Like, why are you scared about? We all fail. We all go through it, and the only part nga it's really bringing you down is yourself. Just lang. The only way to fix it, I'm just gonna put nga diyon sa pa-fix niya, is like I said, it's you're battling yourself, you're improving yourself. It's always you in every situation. Imong mabutang sa imong sarili, sa imong eskwelahan ba, or your lifestyle, or sa imong mga amigo, imong na sarili mong maunaan nga lahi kang pagkatawo, lahi pod ang outcome adto nimo.
As well, like what we talked before, like things that hinder you from getting your biggest dreams, di ba? Based on your observation with your peers, what are the things pod na the most negative thing na mostly nga yung makita nga ilang ginabuhat?
I mean, okay, I'm sorry sa mga tao na smoke, vape, or inom. I mean, it's not, I'm joking, it is bad. It is bad. But I think people are drinking right now. I mean, I really dislike this. You think like, I never vape nga, like mo pangod nga suyop or balik-balik, or I can guarantee I never even drink just once. Magud ko nakasulay inom or hang out para mo inom. I do drink red wine. I mean, rich shit, pero like I said, at least dili sigihon.
No.
Pero mo gud mingon ako, if they can sa tao I really dislike if palahubog kayo ka or sikag smoke to the point nga you think you're cool. I'm so sorry to say, di good ka, you are not, like, try na outrun, ako mingon na good, try na outrun someone nga, dili mainom, mapildi good ka, mo gani mingon na ako, like, you are really trying to destroy yourself, and to your studies as well, you think drinking, like, let's say nga, oh, you did this so good, manginom na lang tayo para stress reliever na to. I mean, yes, stress reliever, patagan pa kayo stress reliever nga mabuhat nimo nga beneficial pa kayo. Like, why not hang out sa mga amigo nga mag-hiking mo, ligog suba, angaron, explore life ra good kaysa magpundo ra ka sa na mag-inom, mag-unsa, mahubog, masuka. Ugma wasa maglaban imong ulo kaysa like try do something nga mahadlok ka. Ambak ra waterfall. Angaron ba? Like manipay pa ka niya pakauga makaingon ka sa daa ato nya alive kayo ka murag kag imong mabuhat tanan. Mo gunay makuanan nako sa mga tik-inom. Sorry na lang ninyo pero ako ipasaylo yapon. Bala mo makuanan niya.
Based on your senior high school life and your current first year college life, is the stress and pressure somehow differ?
I mean, yeah, like we are on college. It's something na it's do or do later, but it's mostly do right now because it was one step ahead being complete adults. And you know, senior high was just something na, oy, ayahay ra kan mapasara bitaw. But kanang galad taw karon nga senior high ug suwida. Pero ako ra ko maingon, ang stress kay lahi ra gud kayo or ang pressure kay, and since senior high pata, we have our friends nga who has been with us ever since high school. I think that's the thing nga makawala pud sa pressure nimo kay naaman sila. Even if let's say nga gamay mong score, magkatanay ra mong gapon nga ay gamay kag score, gamay pa nako, magkatanay ra mong gamay mong score. Yeah, maninuod pagid mo even if gusto maglalis mo nga dina nga naon, malingaw ra gud ka. Bala like stressful kayo ba kay exam gid kayo nga math pag yun rag. Ay lisod na ani nya magkatanay ra mo, nya paggabi mo ra magmahay nga whole day kastoryanay ra mundo ba. Nya kung makaugma itabo ra gyapon magstoryanay magtuon murag di ra gud ka malingaw nga even if let's say lisod nya stress kaayo pero naman sila so di ra gud kayo like stress sa imong ginabuhat pero pasar ra gyapon maninood gud mong kuan imong mga grupo kaysa karon of course maninood gud ka maayo sa imong kurso pero ang pressure na bugat kayo as in bugat especially na imong surroundings karon kay laing tawo di kayo like close gud kayo ba murag kag magseryoso sige kay para gud makapasar. I mean of course you need it for your goals and dreams but I think stress is the number one killer nato tanan as a student or a college student. I mean di na ato ma-avoid kay mamang na ang kinabuhi ma-stress man gud ta especially na ginalisod ka tungod ma-achieve na nimo. Pero I think it helps if na kaila good na close kayo mo para at least ma-elevate ra ng pressure sa unsay mong gi-carry. Di ko close pero mingon ako pasalamat ra ko sa tao nga nanaw karon every Saturday manuroy mami brag di ra gud nga mawala gud ang kuan mawala gud ning kabugat sa akong likod. Tamat ninyo.
Nice one. We like yung mga friends and
Kuan man gud among ako pong igagaw kay lagi mo sa vlog ba mga good vlog video good magsursuroy wala pa sila na mo kabalo magunsa ko ikapoy good guys kulahan murag like I said nga explore life ambak if like ambak murag mawala gud ning kabugat ba like we at the age nga we need to have fun sila lagi naka-bring sa happiness nako nga hanggang kuan murag bata balik sa pagkabata wala mo kanan ako nila mukuyog ko nila mubalik ko sa akong sauna nga sarili
What's the quote that helped you walk through everything like every struggles that you face?
The words that I live by sa akong sarili is there's no one that can stop you. Wag mo makastop nimo. The only thing that can stop you is you. Live 100% sa imong kinabuhi. Live it like it's your last day ra gyud. Like even if boring ka, you at least do something malipay ka. If you don't like let's say nga mahadlok ka mula Cos Boulevard ikaw ray usa kay makaulaw ko no. Bye. Una na ra good. Patanon pa kayo ka. At least enjoy your life ra good. Like give it your all. Like unsay mong ginabuhi. Have fun 100%. Like mohila ka, hila 100%. Di pagawas ko na imong emotions. Motabang kag tawo ayaw kuan like gimit nga ay motabang raw kay maanto ko kuanani like heaven tabang kuani no di mo nagyatag ana bay na ras mga 10% ra gyud kasi you're not giving it your all ra gyud sa mga tawo nga imong na meet sa in your throughout your life, sa tawo nga imong na meet, at least show your true self ra good, like unsa ka. Kay if you keep hiding yourself, di agud ka makabalo nga may tag wala na ko ang niya akong sarili. Because even if there are some fake people sa kilibutan, at least be special to be the first or to be one of the least people nga who you know nga ikaw good ni pakita tanan sa tawo. Never hide yourself, always always give it your all. Mo gani makalibay na ako, because whatever things nga mahitabo, kasi mahitabo man gyud na nato sa atong kuan, sa atong kinabuhi, why not just like have fun doing it.
And what can you tell to the people who are feeling lost and don't know what to do with their life?
What can I tell them?
What can you tell them? Like, what advice can you give them? The people who are watching this video that are somehow related to your story, what can you tell them when they somehow feel lost in their life? They don't know what to do.
Yeah. This is some kind of anime shit ako mastorya karon, but you seen in anime how they're so lost pero ila kung gi-fight para makuha nila, do the same shit. Like if let's say na like you don't know like unsay mong buhaton, like explore ra gyud sa imong sarili. Sa akong mastorya man good, if you are feeling lost, why not just find a way nga para ma-retrieve nimo ang nawala. Murag lisod sabton pero nanara gud, ladtaw ra gud sa imong sarili. Try nga gi-isolate nga ikaw ray usa. Like try na imagine nga unsa gyud nawala nimo. Ngano ka angani? Why do you feel this way? Like the only answer na ko mahatag is to look at yourself first, kay you are the only one nga maka-change kana nga outcome. So if you're feeling lost, at least contact a person nga who you want to like stand by. Imong best friend ba, imong familia ang aron. But if you have no one or ikaw ra gyud usa, explore. It's not bad. We live in a very huge place nga di gud nimo ma-explore. Wa pag na explore ang Negros tanan. Explore. Bisag gamay ra gud. Antog Mall, kaon niya kuan nga wa katilaw, even if wa kay kwarta, like like explore ra gyud, or just go in some place nga you're murag imo rang malukbay. Sulod murag basin di ka maka-find sa imong true meaning or meet interesting people na maka-help gyud nimo pagka kuan in your journey.
Can you give them like just a single quote that they could somehow use in their daily life? What would it be?
A single quote?
Oh.
Sa naon kinagan kayo.
Di ka na TikTok tanan ba? Ano ba na?
By the emperor.
By the Emperor's will.
By the emperor's will. May makuanan. Pero ako
Kill the heretics.
kill the
Kill the heretics.
Every ko makuanan fight, tatakay. Diagon, tatakay. Makaya nimo. Kaya gud nimo. Fight ra gyud. Sa ako makanan, the quote that I can give you guys is fight through everything in your way. Dili sa one word nga quote, but sa quote nga hopefully makatabang ninyo. We all have struggles. Don't give up lang. Go for it. You fight.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate your time, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Appreciate it what yun kay Kwan. I know na there are a lot of people po na Kwan, makakatabang dyan siya nila nga Kwan. Imong gipangingon. Relate sila somehow.
Hopefully nga maka po sila.
You are not alone.
Di ka alone. Karami.